The product of 2 and 3 is divided by the sum of 2 and 4. The result is dash. The product of 2 and 3. What is the product of 2 and 3? Product of 2 and 3 of 3 and 2 will be 3 times 2 divided by, let's do it like this. Product of 3 and 2 is 6. Now they now say that is divided by the sum of 2 and 4. Sum of 2 and 4. And that will be what? 2 plus 4 equal to 6. So the product of this, the product of 3 and 2 is 6, and the sum of 2 and 4 is 6. Therefore, we have 6 divided by 6. The answer is 1. The next question is solve the equation. The equation is this. 3y plus 4y equal to 49. 3y plus 4y will give us 7y equal to 49. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 7. 7y over 7 equal to 49 over 7. 7, we remove 7, you are left with y equal to 7 goes in 49 is 7. That's the final answer for question number 3. Question number 4. If 2x squared equal to 8, what is the value of x? 2x squared equal to 8. What is the value of x? 2x squared equal to 8. We want to find the value of x, not x squared. So the first thing you are going to do is to divide both sides. Divide both sides by 2. So you have a 2x squared over 2 equal to 8 over 2. These two, we remove these two. You are left with x squared equal to 2 goes in 8 to give you 4. Then to find the value of x, not x squared, find the square root of both sides. So you have the square root of x squared equal to the square root of 4. The square root, you remove this, you are left with x equal to the square root of 4 is 2. That's the final answer. This is another question. Question number 5. The area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared. Find the length of the rectangle. If its breadth is 5 centimeters. A rectangle, the area is a 40 centimeters squared. Find the length. This is what you are asked to find, the length. The length is unknown of the rectangle if its breadth is 5 centimeters. This side is 5 centimeters. The area of a rectangle, the formula is length times breadth. And they are giving us the area to be 40 centimeters squared. So you write 40 centimeters squared equal to, the length is unknown, L, and the breadth is 5 centimeters. Now you have 40 centimeters squared equal to length times 5 centimeters will give you 5 L centimeter. Now to find the value of L, you divide the two sides. You divide both sides by 5 centimeters. So you have 40 centimeters square over 5 centimeters equal to 5 L centimeter over 5 centimeter. 5 you cancel 5, centimeter will remove centimeter. You are left with L equal to, you have a 2 centimeter here. 1 centimeter will cancel 1 centimeter. You are left with 1 centimeter. 5 goes in 40 will give us 8, and it is 8 centimeter. So the value of the length is 8. And if you try to check your answer, the area is, we said the length is 8 centimeter, and the area of a rectangle is length times breadth. So if you put 8 here and you put 5 times 8 will give us 40. So correct.
That's it.
The question before us is, what is the value of y in the triangle below? This is the triangle. Angle here is 2y. This side is 100 degrees. This side is 50 degrees. And we know that the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. That is, when you add this angle, this one and this one together, they should give us 180 degrees. So let's add all of them together. You have 50 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 2y degrees equal to 180 degrees. 50 plus 100 equals 150 degrees plus 2y equal to 180 degrees. Now you collect the like times from here, because what we want to do is to find the value of y so that we can multiply with the 2 so that we can get our perfect angle. So collect like times, you will have 2y equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. So you have a 2y degree equal to 180 minus 150 will give us 30 degrees. Divide two sides by 2. So we have 2y degree equal to 30 degrees. Okay, you divide the two sides by 2. So you have this, you cancel this, you have y equal to 15. So the value of y is equal to 15. Then, if you now put y here, you have a 2y equal to 2 times 15 will give us 30 degrees. So if you add everything together and you say 50 plus 30 will give us 80. 80 plus 100 will give us 180 degrees. That is the meaning of the sum of these three angles. The sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. We have come to the end of today's lesson. And in our next class, we'll continue from where we stopped. Thank you very much.